Here, we just came back from a little trip, probably 55-mile trip we took down to the mountain, and started back up again to put it in my garage, and I have no screen again. See, this is the screen off, and there's nothing. There's nothing. I can't do nothing. It's frozen. So I don't even know if I'm gonna hit ahead, or because I can't see my cameras, or these don't work. Nothing. Let's try it again. Let's see. And press the button. Oh, I got volume. I got sound, but no screen. And then, oh, there you go. But nothing up here. Well, hopefully I get some help.